Alright, hey everybody, just gonna be taking off, going to pick up the 77-inch Oled. Got the Dodge out and about. First maiden voyage with it since I got back from Alaska. So looking pretty good, looking all shiny. Looking nice, if I must say so. It's gonna get dirty because these Minnesota roads are gonna be all slushy and sloppy. But yeah. Alright, we will catch you guys later. But yeah, so I'm gonna go pick up the 77-inch Oled and then bring that home and unload it. So I'm gonna have to tie that down in the back. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so we're on the way. Kind of a last minute thing here, but the delivery people called and it was gonna be another 6 days before they could deliver the TV up here to where I live. So I was like, well, instead of waiting 6 days, I can just drive a couple hours or whatever it is, and then go pick up the TV myself. So, I mean, who wouldn't drive a couple hours to go pick up a brand new 77-inch OLED that's supposed to be on its way? Shoot. But yeah, can't wait to get it installed and stuff. Beautiful day out for driving. I guess this is my destination over here on the right, according to GPS. Magnum Trucking. We'll see where we gotta load this bugger up at. Don't worry, your internet connection's just fine. I just paused it to admire the truck and TV. Got the OLED all loaded up. I gotta get a couple more straps for the top. This is on the pallet, but the front bands are broke, so I gotta get a couple more to go over the top, keep it from moving down or whatever. So yeah, quick swing into Menards, grab more straps, and off we go. There it is, all loaded up, all strapped down. Should be good to go. Looks pretty darn nice in the back of there. A big TV though. Look even better in the house. Just finished fueling up. And gonna get this bugger on the way home. Got where their banding kind of broke the box. Hopefully it's okay. Hopefully everything inside's alright. But got about a 3-hour trip home, so we should be good. Alright, fueled up and go get some Burger King, and we will be on our way home. Get this bugger tucked in for the night. Alright, hey there YouTube. Just figured I'd give you a quick update. Got this bugger inside. It's about 10 o'clock at night. Pretty cold out, below freezing, so I'm gonna let it sit in the package and unbox that bugger tomorrow for you. So yeah, everything's all good. The only thing is right here, from whoever put the banding on, they tightened that bugger down way too much, so yeah, hopefully nothing got damaged inside. I don't think it did. The rest of them were fine, but we'll find out when we unbox this thing tomorrow. But can't wait. Super excited. 77-inch LG C10 OLED, CX or C10, whichever way you want to call it, with NVIDIA G-Sync. Should be awesome for gaming and stuff like that. 4K movies, 4K HDR. Yeah, pretty much the ultimate TV you can get right now. So, got a great deal on it through Greentoe. Can't say how, I'm not going to say how much or anything else or who shipped it, but it was a authorized. So Greentoe is a middleman. They connect you with authorized LG sellers, and then the sellers ship it out to you. So you're not going through Greentoe, you're just using them as a middleman basically to get you the best price. So I had an awesome experience with it. They shipped it out right away. Everything went good. Keep you guys informed and we'll see how it goes.